Okay, I thought today we would go ahead and revisit this Teac cassette player. It is a model V360-C. I did a quick video, just a show video of this a while back, and if you want to check it out, I will put a description to it right up there. So just a quick recap of this thing. A coworker gave this to me. I think he got it from Goodwill, and he wanted to see if I can get it to work. The problem with this is the power cord has been cut on it right there. So first thing I'm going to do is put a power cord on it, and we're going to see if this works. Also, in the other video, I said we were going to take the lid off of this to see what was on the inside. I've already taken the lid off and looked at the inside, so hang on a second and we'll check it out. Okay, so here's the inside. As you can tell, there's not a whole lot to it. This thing's pretty cheaply made. Circuit board, pretty flimsy. Just got a couple ICs in there. It's got a few capacitors and various wires. Here's a look at the tape mechanism. I got kind of looked at the belts right here, and they don't seem too stretched out. They might be a little bit. So all in all, it looks pretty good down in there. So here is the power transformer. As you can tell, this is where the power cord comes in, goes to the transformer. And then on the back, right back here, they have it soldered on, these two wires. So to save some time, just to make sure this cassette player is going to work, I think what I'm going to do is just cut the wire right here, splice into it right here. It'll be a lot faster, rather than spend the time to take this apart and take this off and then unsolder the wires and then solder the new power cord back on. Once I test it from here and see if it works, I may go ahead and actually, if it does work, I'm going to go ahead and take this off and desolder those wires and solder on the new power cord. So I'm going to go ahead and splice a new power cord into this right here, just temporarily. We'll plug it in and see if it powers up. So I will be right back. Okay, as you can see, went ahead and cut the wires in half and went ahead and spliced into this wire for right now. Just temporarily got wire nuts on it. Here's the new power cord. It's kind of crude. We're just going to see if this powers up. I have it plugged into my power strip right here. So let's flip the switch and hopefully we don't get no smoke or anything. Okay, that's good. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, let's pop a tape in here and see if we can get it to do something here. Let's see, play. Okay. Turn the light off there. Well, it's turning. I don't have this hooked up to a stereo or anything yet. I just wanted to make sure it would come on. The LEDs are working. I guess that's a good thing. Tape counter's moving. Okay. So I guess our next step is to go ahead and hook this through a receiver, and we'll see if it can play. Okay, so I got this hooked up to my Sony receiver back there. Still just temporarily got the power cord plugged in there, or wire tied in there. So let's turn this on. I don't know why it does that. Let's see if we get any sound out of it. Well, doesn't sound real great, but that could probably be just because the heads need to be cleaned. That makes a little bit of a difference. Gives it a little more treble. That one really doesn't do anything. That's different. Oh, I didn't even check. Let's see if okay, rewind works. Fast forward doesn't work all that great. Pause works. Okay, well, all in all, isn't too bad. I guess it's not too bad for free. So I think I'll clean up the heads, and if it sounds about the same, or hopefully it'll sound a little bit better, I'll probably go ahead and undo that over there, and take the power cord here and go ahead and solder it onto the transformer down here. Okay, I went ahead and soldered the new wire on to the transformer here. Went ahead and soldered it back on. This is the old wire I took off. So you could see I went ahead and put the new wire on, put it back through the anti-short bushing back here. So it's sturdy. Went ahead and plugged it back into my power strip. Let's turn it on. And there we go. Got it working. So it now has a nice new power cord. So anyway, that is it for this video. And if you like my content, go ahead and click subscribe or leave a comment. And as always, thank you for watching.